Hello everyone, this time we're gonna look at this gorgeous 2017 Infiniti QX70. This is an all-wheel drive powertrain with V6 engine. It comes loaded with options, 360 camera, moonroof, leather interior, beautiful tires, like new tires, great rims, and it comes with clean Carfax history, 3 owners, local vehicle, no accidents, and clean title. All right, so as usual, let's work our way into the vehicle, starting from outside, checking out. So these are front sensors as well. So besides the cameras, the 360 camera, it comes with the front and rear sensors as well. This is scuffed. Actually, no, this is something scratched, but I can't even take it out with my hands. So nothing wrong there. The fog light is broken. This happens because it's so low and the rocks will break them, but we have ordered it, so it should be in and we should be replacing that. This fog light is good. Sensors are here. Headlights are good. No other chips or damages on the hood. These are watermarks after the washing. Tires are all 4 matching. We haven't put them, so I cannot claim they're new, but they do feel like new, so they're pretty deep. The center cap, we will order that. I see a scratch here. This can be buffed out. Yeah, this is not deep damage. This can be buffed out, probably a 3 scratch. These are watermarks and some dings on the door as well. Keyless entry, and we have a camera here. Okay, so that's part of 360 camera system. I see scratches here as well, probably when getting in and out of the vehicle. I don't know how heavy damage this might be, but this is a plastic piece, so no metal issues. Tires are matching. Again, this is an all-wheel drive, backup sensors, backup camera right here. Okay, and this is a keyless entry. This is automatic tailgate. We'll test that as well. There are some marks of so this has been bumped into, and these are chips on the plastic as well. This is a rear bumper, so no issues there whatsoever. The tail light, I think we ordered this piece as well. This has been probably happened again in our lot here. I don't know why they keep happening. Scratches on the plastic piece. Tire, again the same brand, all matching, good thread. No issues on the paint on this side. Let me look closely. Yeah, no issues on the paint on this side. Chrome piece is great. Tire the same. Now the bumper here is protruding. I believe maybe someone might have bumped into the front of the vehicle, and that usually might pop up this side, but not a big issue. Again, these are all plastic pieces. Most important thing is chrome pieces are in place, they're good, and the paint is good. Before we get in the car roof, we're gonna test the moonroof as well. So as usual, let's turn on the vehicle. This comes with a memory seats as well, so when you open a door, seat goes back for you to jump in, and then the seat will go forward and adjust itself based on the memory. The key is a smart key. I'm gonna put it right here. This is basically cigarette, but not used, so you don't need to take it out of your pocket because it's a smart key. Keyless entry, keyless start. And the seat is taking me to the front because it's adjusted accordingly. We'll come check the dash in a minute. Let's check the engine first, and then we're gonna walk around the vehicle. The AC is on, blows ice cold. This is a 3.7 liter V6. No noises, no burns, no leaks, and drives like new. Okay, all clean there. All right, now let's start testing our features and functions. Okay, so the windows, front 2 are full automatic, rears are partial manual. So putting them back up. Okay, we talked about memory seats. You can adjust them and set them. The seat itself is black leather with great stitch marks here. This is brown stitch marks. The seat is pretty solid condition, no tears. On this side, the entry side, you have some wear because it's a little bit higher entry, so you'll get that. The Power options work just fine, lumbar support and everything. Going towards the rear driver side. The second row seats here, I see some wear here, some wear and tear on this side of the handle, but other than that everything was pretty solid. The second row seats look like new. I'm not sure they've been used much. This might be a car seat sign. This is a good sign to have, meaning this has been used as a family vehicle. Okay, you have a phone compartment, cup holders, and everything is in pretty solid shape. The rear of the seat is also all leather, very nice touch to it. You got the rear vent outlets as well. Checking the tailgate, I'm sorry. So it's automatic tailgate. There's a button up here. You press that once, it will automatically lift it up for you. Automatic closer as well. We'll test that. So pretty clean, pretty spacey, pretty roomy. And this is this is a donut. This is technically full size, but this is a donut. It doesn't count as a full size tire. Okay. Closing the tailgate. Now on the passenger side, second row, pretty clean. I see some marks of use here as well, a small tear, and I think this one something might have hit it. Right. Other than that, pretty solid. Leather is like new, and yeah, very great condition. All right. Getting onto the driver's side again, you have a smart lock and unlock on the door as well, and you have 360 camera here as well. On the driver's side, very light signs of wear, especially on this side. Again, this is the entry side, but other than that, it's also fully automatic. It doesn't come with memory, but the leather itself is in great shape. Okay, and the dash is also leather, feels really good to the touch. All right, so now let's jump in the car, test our moonroof, and talk about other features that this truck has. All right, starting from the moonroof, this is full slide, and I will test the tilt. Okay. If you press the close, not the slide piece, it will tilt, and if you press it second, and if you put it back, it will basically close. So if you press this, it will slide. If you press this, it will close the sliding piece. If you start from here, it will tilt, then you close it by pressing this button. All right, so starting from the door, we talked about this beautiful leather work here. This is awesome. We talked about memory seats. We talked about the seat automatically going back when the car is turned off, for kind of as an assist for you to get out of the vehicle easily. These are window side view mirror opening and closing features, tail light, and power door. So if you turn off the power door, then the tailgates will not open. Okay, traction control, light adjustments, how high you want them. In highway conditions, you will want them high. In city conditions, you will want them lower, so as not to blind the drivers up front. Trip reset options. Okay, on the around the dash, you got light adjustments, and you got the controls as to what you want to see. So as you click, it switches between different views. Okay. All right. So usually I like to keep the temperature to see what the temperature outside is. This is a reset option as well. The dash is pretty clean. I think the exclamation mark is because of, I think we had either my seat belt is probably not put on, that's why. Okay. 116,304 miles. We have test driven this vehicle. Drives like new. All right. And yeah, that's not, I believe we have a washer fluid sign earlier in this video, so that exclamation mark is probably because of that. It's kind of warning us that, hey, your washer fluid is low. On the left hand side, you have light controls, okay, fog lights as well, and it's automatic controls. On the right hand side, you have wiper controls. On the wheel, you have the center entertainment system controls. Okay. All right, for now let's turn it off. And sound level, phone connections, cruise controls. Okay, coming back to the center system here, we got navigation system. I talked about 360 view, so you can change the view as well. I think, yeah, here, change view, so it gives you closer right hand side look, only backup camera look, and 360 view. Okay, there are sensors on the front and in the back, so they will still beep and let you know how close you are to the obstacles. These are navigation options, navigation controls, and you can go into settings and adjust everything from here as well. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so it will, yeah, okay, so it will get out automatically. Very nice touch. This is a analog clock, can be adjusted with these two buttons, and you got your 6 CD input, and you got your fully automatic AC climate controls. Okay, seats are heated. You have different modes here. Snow mode, okay, and then cup holders. Center console has two features. One is a compartment, another one is a full compartment. USB input is here, power output is here. Okay, you also have one more power output here. This is technically a cigarette holder, but it has not been used. Okay, this is plastic piece. This is not fully functional. Okay, that's good to have. All right, so let's check the glove box as well. All right, it's pretty empty. It's pretty clean. This is about it. If you have any questions, do let us know. Go to azcars.us to check detailed photos of this beautiful car, and we also have a Carfax report for the same. You'll see for yourself. It's a clean history, well maintained, and clean title vehicle. It's a rare Infiniti. Do come check it out, take it for a spin, and let us know what you think about it. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.